how to fix Instagram blend feature not showing. So if you want to fix the Instagram blend feature not showing, then what you need to do, first, you need to make sure that you have an updated version of your Instagram. So you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, whichever device you're using, and then under your search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching, you need to update your Instagram if you have any updates. Then your application will be updated. If your application is not updated, you might find this kind of problem. So make sure it's updated once done. Now, the next thing you want to do is move over to the settings. Tap on settings. Under settings, you need to head over to apps, which is right here. Under apps, go with manage apps. Under manage apps, you need to search for Instagram. Under Instagram, go with clear data and then tap on clear cache. Tap on OK, and this might fix your problem. All of the unwanted bugs will be removed, and this might fix your issue that you've been facing. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.